First of all, I'm very thankful to the team of the college, and special thanks to the captain of the team, Principal Ma'am, right, for initiating such kind of workshops. Because see, teaching and doing research, again there are two extreme poles. जैसे chi-square है और factor analysis है, वो दो extreme चीज़ें हैं और उसको combine करना, it is a very tough job for a teacher, right? Especially when you are working in SFI. We all know what is the condition of SFI college, what kind of factors we face while we are dealing with students, with research, with juggling with PhD. So this kind of workshop enhances our potential, which we think that, oh, it is a matter of very much fear to go for a research. Even I'm pursuing my PhD and I fear a lot about statistical techniques. You know, it is one of the very big obstacle, right? It is not a physical obstacle, it is a mental obstacle which limits us to enhance our research quality. I am very much sure all of you are attending this kind of workshop. We all have potential to do very good research. It might be a qualitative, it might be quantitative, it might be any form. As sir said, next era is about how are you analyzing the data, how are you interpreting, how are you applying the data. And this kind of workshop takes us into that direction, which is very much essential, because this direction is lacking in almost all the academicians which we are here, especially in SFI college, in other colleges when we are talking about a city like Surat. So I'm very thankful to ma'am, to the organizing committee for conducting such a wonderful workshop, and it is in Surat, so it saves our time. Many times we don't have leaves to go like far off places coming back. So definitely it is putting a very big advantage on us, and it helps us to create a spark that we can do it, right? It is not that tough. Again, we can try it out. We can do it. We can write the paper. We can do PhD work in a better way. We can improve the quality. So that automatic suggestion which comes from our heart, it makes our job easy, you know, because being a teacher is always to be an optimistic, whatever factors you are facing, if that is called a teacher. So again, I thank entire team. I thank Vantarya sir. I thank the dignitaries who came from Bombay, our Chancellor, Vice Chancellor who came, Kothari sir. All the lectures were very enlightening, and it was really very, very useful, and we look forward for such kind of workshop. Thank you so much.